Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get time capsules in Subnautica. These fascinating objects are player-submitted containers, each holding a message and items from another player's completed journey. Discovering them adds a truly unique and personal touch to your underwater exploration. Every capsule you find offers a delightful surprise, making your adventure even more engaging and memorable as you uncover these hidden treasures. Time capsules are generally found scattered across the seabed in various biomes, typically avoiding the shallow starting areas. You'll often discover them in deeper regions like the Sparse Reef, the Blood Kelp Zone, or the Grand Reef. Other common spots include the mountains, the dunes, and the mushroom forest. Using your sea moth or cyclops will greatly assist your search, allowing you to cover more ground efficiently and safely. Stepping inside, the Mercedes GLA exudes luxury with premium materials and advanced technology. It boasts a 10.25-inch MBUX touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, plus features like dual-zone climate control and 64-color ambient lighting. The Toyota CHR offers a modern and well-built cabin, with an 8-inch or 12.3-inch touchscreen that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing a comfortable and functional space. To maximize your chances of finding time capsules, explore every inch of the seafloor, especially in the recommended biomes. The distinct blue glow of a capsule is much easier to spot at night, so consider searching during darker hours. Utilize your vehicle's powerful headlights to cut through the gloom and reveal hidden areas. Remember, these capsules are randomly placed, so patience and persistent exploration are your best allies in uncovering these unique player contributions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.